Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Belk account. So if you also want to create Belk account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar. Now type in www.belk.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Belk. From here you'll be able to shop various products. You can shop the products for men, women, kids. You can find the products like shoes, handbags, jewelries, etc. In order to create the account, all you have to do is click on this option My Account that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to find two options, sign in and create account. All you have to do is click on the option Create Account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create an account. All you have to do is fill in these details that you can see right over here. Or you can also sign in with Google if you want. If you do not want to sign in with Google, first of all enter your personal information. Now enter the contact information. You can enter the phone number if you want. It is optional. Enter your email. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Create a very strong password. It should be from 6 to 20 characters. Now confirm the password. After filling in all the information, all you have to do is click on the option Create Account that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your account has been created. So that is how you create Belk account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.